Let's talk about converting repeating decimals to fractions. Let's say we have the repeating decimal 0.1111 forever. This can be easily denoted with a line over the number that's repeated. So it'll be 0.1 with a line over it. To convert this to a fraction, all we have to do is take the number that's being repeated and put a 9 under it. This is our final answer. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 0.2 repeated. This will just be 2 and then we put a 9 under it. So 2 over 9. What if there's more than one digit? So let's say we have 0.12 repeated. This will be 12. Now, if we put this over a 9, then it won't make sense because the number is over 1 and this is 0.12. So instead, we need to put this over 99. This will simplify to 4 over 33. So that is our final answer. Now, this can get a little bit more complicated when we have a part of the number that's not repeating and the other part is repeating. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have 0.4312 repeating. Over here, what we're going to do is we're going to take the part that's not repeating and subtract it from the whole number. So 4312 minus 43. All we have to do is subtract it. And we'll get 4269. Now, this will be the numerator. So we have 4269 divided by, the denominator will be 9900. The 9's come from the repeating number, and there's two numbers that are repeating, 1 and 2. So it'll be 9, 9. Then there's two numbers that aren't repeating, so those will give the 0, 0. Now this can be simplified. We cancel out a 3 in the top and the bottom, so we'll get 1, 4, 2, 3, and 3, 3, 0, 0. So this is our final answer. Let's look at one more example. Let's look at 0.986234, where the 234 is repeating. Try this one yourself. So, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the 986 from the whole number. So we have 986234 minus 986. We have to subtract it. And we'll get 985248. Then we put this over 999000. The 3 9's come from the repeating part, and the 3 zeros come from the not repeating part. All I did was put 1 9 for each repeating number and 1 0 for each number that wasn't repeating. So this will be our final answer without simplifying. Now, converting repeating decimals to fractions can be a little bit tricky, so this requires a lot of practice. I've linked a practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to go check those out.